Okay, y'all, this is the finished look of this unit. This is so pretty and different. So you guys did see earlier, I curled it and then I straightened it out. But to have like this piece that just curls back with straight hair, I never would have thought to style my hair like this, but this is so cute. I don't know, it's kind of giving me like 2000s, like early 2000s or something. Like, what y'all think? What y'all think about this style? Straight all around, but then layered in the front and curled back. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it. Okay, so this is Nadula's 7x5 lace, Bye Knots, Yaki Straight hair, and I have it in the length 20 inches. It is glueless and it is pre-styled. So this is a super easy wig. You don't have to do much to it. I just wanted to show you guys that you could curl it. The parting is perfection. Perfection. Lace is melted. It is still a glueless wig. All I did was put a little bit of spray around the edges. I let the band sit on my head for probably like 7 to 8 minutes and it's melted. It looks good. We love this. Oh, we love this. So
last, now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you can talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy and I know that careful. Like the Baba fry, my ayo, don't cry, yo. I did what I got when then kill Soboma. I did try to buy moto, Toyota Corolla. My feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Feelings been they swing like Django Lover. Now you crash your Ferrari for Leggy Bona. Now so much you make it have been all over. My feelings did they swing like Django Lover. Feelings did they swing like Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, Timbani at you. Come on, white dog in Fenisu. Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, maybe another time, maybe another life, you will be my wife and we'll get it right. The young cast, last, now everybody go to breakfast. You go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause I did by default and without any doubt. I'm a me happy adult. I no go feed the girl, I no go feed the girl is out. I'm a mind that's you can talk. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know holy.
So you guys, look for all the information down below, the links to their website, the link straight to this unit, a coupon code, everything you need will be down below. And you guys get you a Yaki Straight wig. Yeah, we love this. I feel super cute. Like, this is super cute, girly, and fun.
Why you say I did nothing for you? And if I do anything you want me to do, somebody got you.